Hello and welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. In this short video I just want to show you quickly how I'm holding my guitar pick, what kind of guitar pick I prefer. And this is strictly my personal preference, so by no means you have to go and change everything, but maybe you're still going to take something from this lesson and you want to give it a try and see if it's going to make a difference. In the end, it's all about sharing what works, and hopefully it will work for you as well. Okay, so let's have a closer look and see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, not sure if you guys are able to see that, but what I like to use is the Jim Dunlop Big Stubby, it's called. It's a 3mm thick pick. You say, oh my god, that's really thick. What I really like about it is you can play it hard or you can also play it fine. It's got these two little grooves on both sides where your thumb and your index finger fit in. This is my preference. Next time you have a chance to purchase one or two, pick a few and see what they do for you. Okay. In a second I'm going to show you how to actually hold this Big Stubby or any other guitar pick, because one of the mistakes that beginners often make is that we are holding them too tight, too rigid, and therefore our playing feels choppy. There's times when you have to hold it stronger, when you want to accentuate a note, but for the most part you can just keep it gently between your fingers. And just like a drummer, if you ever watch a drummer, how he or she holds the stick, they are loose in the hand, so there's movement. And a pick is exactly the same way. I'm going to take a little close up here so you can see it. So I don't know if you can see, but my pick is sort of moving between my fingers because I'm not holding it tight. If I hold it tight, it makes a louder sound. Now I'm not squeezing as much, I'm more relaxed. So, and the same for the strumming. You don't have to hold it tight. Okay, so practice that a little bit. Yeah, I could go on and on, but just try not to hold it too rigid, even if you play single notes. Okay, so that's my little trick. Have it loose. Keep it playing between your fingers. Alright, so if this in any way has helped you, I would appreciate if you could leave me a comment. I like to see if this helped anybody. So, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.